Hello everybody, this is another one of those that defies explanation. The Rover Curiosity took a photograph on Sol 4439 and in it is this strange object. I compare it to a coconut or a bowling ball. Let's have a look at the source and we'll take a closer look at this rather strange object. The Mast Camera or Mastcam took this photograph on the 31st of January 2025. It was Sol 4439 at the time. Yeah, we're looking at the photograph downloaded directly from the NASA site. And I'll include the link to the source page in the video description. So you can download this and check it out for yourselves. So we'll zoom in on the object highlighted there. And I put it to be around 8 to 12 centimeters in diameter. Let's take a closer look. And there it is, a geometric sphere, some imperfections on its surface, and two holes right there next to one another on the one side. Also looks as if the outer layer has a uniform thickness. Check that out. You can see it a little clearer. And for comparison, a bowling ball to the left and a coconut to the right. So could it be that there are three holes on this object and the one is on the other side of the spherical object? So what could this be? Some type of fossilized coconut shell, some type of weapon like a cannonball, or something that vents some type of gas through those holes. We won't know for sure. It surprises me that the rover didn't drive up to this thing and take a closer photograph. All we have is that original photo. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, we can't make out much detail. It also has this Bayer grid pattern on it as well, which obscures detail even more. And with that said, we've reached the end of this presentation. Let's have a chat in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys and girls think of this object. What could it be? Some type of cannonball, some type of weapon that produces gas that vents out of those two holes, a coconut-like object, bowling ball-like object, or just a freak of nature, a pebble with two holes on the one side, on the top. I look forward to reading those. As always, thanks for watching.